how to secure Gmail account. So if you want to secure your Gmail account, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Google Play Store. Once you open up your Play Store, now you need to go with the top right, which has that profile option. Under profile, now here you will have an option of recommended actions. If you have recommended options, you can simply tap on the recommended options and it will take you to the security checkup page. And from there you can add your phone number or your email, and then you can verify your account so that you can secure your Gmail account. Or the other thing you can do is just simply go with manage your Google account, and from here you can swipe and then go with security section. Under security you can scroll down, and if you have any yellow kind of interface, that means you have not secured your Gmail account. In my case, as you can see that it is green, which means my account is protected. But if your account is not protected, then you can just simply go with the option where it is not protected, or where you have the yellow exclamation mark. So you just need to simply go with the recovery phone or recovery email or any one of those options, and you can just simply add your phone number or your email address, and in this way you'll be able to secure your Gmail account. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.